Here is the 1998 Toyota Celsior walk around. It's got brand new wheels and tires on it, 18-inch. Power sliding sunroof. It is not perfect. It's got some scuffs, scratches. You can see the repaint on it. Not the best, but it does shine and looks good. Paint chips here. Power folding mirrors, they do fold. Everything works. Leather seats, wood steering wheel, heated seats. Got some scuffs there. Dash is in good shape. Multi-disc CD changer. Second glove box. Seats don't show any wear or tear. Was originally a gray car, repainted to black. Pop the trunk here. Spare tire. This is broken, it doesn't stay in. All the windows work, they all roll down. This car drives really smooth. It's powered by the 1UZ-FE V8 4-liter. Brand new battery. Go ahead and get it started here. Steering wheel is power. Has the automatic 5-speed transmission. Shifts smooth. Sunroof. Tilt. Window. Window. Mirror folds. Mirror folds. Driver window. Passenger window. Temperature. We offer financing and nationwide shipping. See our website for details. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to answer anything about this vehicle. Thanks for watching.